Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards. We have Hierophant, Eight of Spheres, and Ten of Suns in reverse. So, in your circumstances, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are someone who is, who is a very knowledgeable person. You have a lot of experience and you know what will work in the right way for you guys, and you feel really inspired towards the right things, and you are an inspiration for the people who are with you. So you inspire them with your knowledge, with your guidance, counsel. So you are someone who is the person to look up for any type of good suggestions or advice in any circumstances today, guys, Capricorn, because you are someone who has a lot of experience and you know what will work and what will be the right thing to do, guys. And in your circumstances today, Capricorn, you are really a very practical person, down to earth. You know what will work for you or what will be the best for everyone, and you are so organized, and that may be the reason things are going in a very smooth manner, guys. So in your work situation or in your relationship, I see smooth sailing of things. So positive inspiration, happiness and calmness and is what I see. And maybe in your situation today, guys, there is someone who needs care or attention. Maybe they are sick, you are looking after this person, or maybe you are sick, someone is looking after you. So some kind of caring, and this is the time for you to take care of someone really close to you. And maybe today, or you may have some delays or suspensions in your work situation, guys, and you are in some kind of a difficult financial state, but you are having that help and guidance from friends or family. So they are here to support you and help you out in this difficult circumstances today, guys. And people who truly care for you, so they are coming with a helping attitude and they may be suggesting certain things. So if you trust someone really close to you, you need to listen to them, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for your relationship, guys, we have Six of Moons in reverse. So with this card, guys, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in your relationship, maybe you are still missing your past person, or they are still missing you, and you are thinking about them again and again, replaying that story again and again, maybe wishing things were different between you both, wishing things would have gone differently and things were different today, right now, guys. So there is a lot of pain and sadness in your heart. Maybe, guys, if you want to change things, instead of brooding over the past, you must move on. Help yourself to move on in the present situation, guys. So living in the past is not going to help you in any way, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. So this may be your energy towards this relationship, or your person's energy, maybe your ex. They are missing you like crazy, and they are constantly thinking of you and wishing that things were different, guys, Capricorn. So for your career situation, guys, we have 9 of stars. So with this card, in your work situation, maybe there may be some some suspension, some delays in your projects, or people may be they are simply envying you and they are jealous of you. They are talking behind your back, guys, maybe, and that is causing some kind of a negative circumstance in your work situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card, in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated, and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, You need to go for that orderliness. So, orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So, this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So, if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today, and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself. So from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.